tan theta. AC is what? OC, tan theta. So this is what? This is equals to x tan theta. So this is the x tan theta because OC is x. You see, OC is x. So AC is x tan theta. Now we take this y, the vertical distance traveled by the bullet in time t. Now see, again using the second equation of motion, s is ut plus half at square. Now this is in the vertical direction, so this y will be equals to, now what, this will be uyt plus half of ayt square. So we are finding y in this. So what is uy? Initial vertical velocity is u sin theta. This is u sin theta t, and g is actually negative because downward direction is positive, and this is going, the bullet we are taking in the upward direction. Okay. U sin theta t minus half gt square, this is y. Now see, in the diagram, how we can write AB? AB is what? AC minus BC, which is y. So we write AB equals AC minus CB. AB is AC minus CB. Now, what is AC? What is AC? AC is x tan theta. So this is x tan theta minus CB is basically y. This CB is y. This CB is y, and we have taken out y as this thing minus y. So y as u sin theta minus half gt square. So this can be written as x tan theta minus, this is u sin theta t minus half gt square. Okay. Now what is t? Now we can substitute t. T we have calculated. Now t is what? Initially we have calculated t. T is x by u cos theta. Substituting this t in this equation. So now this is what? This is x tan theta minus, this is u sin theta into x by u cos theta minus half g, this is x square by u square cos square theta. Cos square theta. Or what we can do is that just substitute the value of t over here and let it be half gt square. Yeah, this will be, I think this will be better. Just let it be half gt square. Now this is what? This is x tan theta. So see why I have done this, I'll show it to you. So see, this is x tan theta minus this is x tan theta, and this is plus half gt square. So I haven't substituted the value of t, let it be gt square, the same thing. So this and this will get cancelled. Now what is this AB? AB is actually half gt square. AB is half gt square. Now see, if you take AB or the free fall of the monkey, so what is the free fall? Initial velocity is 0. So if again applying the second law of equation, s is ut plus half at square, that vertical velocity or the vertical vertical displacement y is initial velocity 0, so half gt square. Now it means that the bullet will pass to the point B on the vertical line AC at the vertical distance of half gt square below point A, and this is exactly because as soon as the bullet is fired, the monkey also drops, and that's a free fall. So the free fall distance of the monkey is given by half gt square only. So this AB is half gt square. So this means that bullet and monkey will pass to the point B simultaneously. Therefore the bullet will hit the monkey. Hope you got this, because this is what? This is free fall of the monkey. So if you see y is what? Y is equals to uyt plus half gt square. Okay, now this thing is 0 because initial vertical velocity is 0. What is y? It's half gt square. So this is same as the fall of free fall of the monkey, which is half gt square AB, in which the bullet and monkey is, they are going to be at that place at the same time. Now from a point on the ground at a distance of 15 meter, from the foot of the vertical wall, the ball is thrown at an angle of 45 degree, which clears the top of the wall and afterwards strikes the ground at a distance of 5 meter on the other sides. Find the height of the wall. Now, see, this is our diagram. Now, the ball is thrown, now this is the wall. So, this is what? 15 meter. Okay, as you can see, from a point on the ground at a distance of 15 meter from the foot of the vertical wall. So, this is 15 meter. 15 meter from the foot of the vertical wall, a ball is thrown at an angle of 45 degree. So, this is 45 degree, which just clears the top of the wall. It clears the top of the wall and afterwards strikes the ground at a distance of 5 meter on the other side. So, this is also 5 meter on the other side. Okay. Find the height of the wall. So, let this be the height h of the wall. Find the height of the wall. This is 45 degree. Okay. Now, see, from the projectile motion, as you can see, we know the horizontal range. The total horizontal range is 20 meters. So, the horizontal range is how much? 15 plus 5 meter, that is equals 20 meter is the horizontal range. Formula for horizontal range is u square sine 2 theta by g, that is equals to 20. Now, what is the angle of projection? Is 45 degree. So, this 45 degree is the angle of projection. So, sine 45, 2 into 45 is sine 90, that basically will make it 1. So, this thing becomes 1. This will be sine square, sorry, u square sine 2 into 45 degree, which is sine 90, which is 1 equals 20. This implies u square by g equals 20. Now, you can take this point as A. Okay, let the coordinates be x comma y. Now, you know that what is x? X is 15 meter and y is h. So, x is how much? X is 15, y is h, the coordinates b. Okay. So, now just writing the values, x is 15 and y is h. Now, using the equation of trajectory, as we have done equation of trajectory, so y is equals to x tan theta minus half, this is g x square by u square cos square theta. Okay. Now, substituting the values, y as h, x 15. So, this h height will directly get the value, height is x is how much? 15, tan theta is tan 45 degree minus half, this u square by g is 20 and this is g by u square, that is 1 by 20 into 1 by 20 into this is 15 square upon cos square 45 degree. Okay. Now, we have all these values, solving them you get h as 3.75 meter. This is the height of the wall. Yeah. From the top of a tower, 156.8 meter high. Now, tower is 156.8 meter high. A projectile is thrown up. Now, see, from a tower, it is thrown up with a velocity of 39.2 meter per second, making an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal direction. Find the distance from the foot of the tower where it strikes the ground and time taken by it to do so. So, we have to find the time taken and the distance from the foot of the tower. So, this is the diagram. Now, see, this is the tower. Tower height is 156.8 meter, 126.8 meter. Now this ball is thrown up, making an angle theta. Actually, the angle theta is 30 degree. So consider this as 30 degree. Resolving this into two components. This will be u cos 30 degree and this will be u sin 30 degree. Okay, it reaches at this point. So time taken by this ball to reach this point, as well as you have to find this horizontal distance. Okay. Now see, first of all we have to take the vertical the vertical motion of that ball. So that vertical motion, see what is y? Y is 156.8 meter. Now we have to find the vertical velocity also. So uy is basically this is 39.2 meter per second. So u sin 30 degree, which is 39.2 sin means sin 30 degree. So this will give you 19.6 meter per second. Okay, g will take as 9.8 meter per second because it is acting downward. Now the vertical motion, third equation of motion, y is equals to uy t plus half ay t square. Okay, you have to find the time. What is y? Y is 156.8. This is, now see, we have taken the downward direction as positive, but this velocity initially is in the upward direction. That's why minus 19.6 t plus half into 9.8 t square. Okay. So next step will be 156.8 equals minus 19.6 t plus 4.9 t square. Now this will basically give you an quadratic equation. So rearranging it, we get 4.9 t square minus 19.6 t minus 156.8 equals 0. Okay, this can be written as t square minus 4t minus 32 equals 0. And now you know the midterm splitting. So by midterm splitting, you get this as t plus 4 t minus 8 equals 0. So we get 2 times, actually t equals minus 4 second or t equals 8 second. So time cannot be negative. So that's why we take, ignoring the negative value, we take time this as 8 seconds. So time is 8 seconds to reach till here. Now now next step is very simple to find this horizontal distance. We just have to find the horizontal distance, which is horizontal velocity into time, because horizontal velocity is same throughout the motion. So distance is, we can take this distance as BD. So this BD is what? So this BD is u cos 30 degree into 8. Now what is u? 39.2 cos 30 degree into 8. You solve it, you get 271.57 meter, because u was 39.2 meter per second.